Make sure to watch through to the end to find out how much this repair might cost. Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about a really specific and frustrating issue that's been popping up with certain Ford trucks, one that can leave owners confused and worried about their vehicle's health. If you drive a 2018 or 2019 Ford F-150 with the 5.0 LV8, you might have noticed a strange metallic rattle or grinding noise, especially when the engine is idling or under light acceleration. This isn't just a minor annoyance. It can sound like something is seriously wrong with your transmission or engine. So, let's get right into it. This noise usually comes from the bell housing area of your transmission. It can be a sharp metallic rattle or a grinding sound, and it often gets worse as the engine warms up. Many owners describe it as a sound that seems to come and go, making it hard to pinpoint. The problem is caused by the torque converter studs making contact with the engine-to-transmission spacer plate, which creates that unsettling noise. It's not your imagination, and it's not just an internet rumor. Ford released an official technical service bulletin TSB 19-2230 about this exact issue, and then later updated it with TSB 19-2358. The affected trucks are 2018 and 2019 F-150 SS with the 5.0 LV8, specifically ones built on or before February 12, 2019. Here's what's going on. The torque converter studs can actually touch the engine-to-transmission spacer plate. When that happens, you get this annoying rattle or grinding sound. The fix is pretty straightforward, but it's definitely something you want a professional to handle. Ford's solution is to replace that original spacer plate with a redesigned one that gives the studs a little more room to breathe. Early on, they used part JL3Z7007A, but the latest fix is JL3Z7007B. Be aware though, this repair isn't a quick one. The transmission usually has to come out, so you're looking at about 5.5 hours of labor for two-wheel drive models, or 6.5 for four-wheel drive. Now, is this a recall? No, it's not. TSBs, technical service bulletins, are basically instructions for dealership technicians about known issues and how to fix them. They're not the same as a safety recall, which the government requires. TSBs are more like strong suggestions from the automaker. So what are real owners and mechanics saying? I went through some of the major F-150 forums, and a lot of people have had this rattle, brought it to the dealer, and got the updated spacer plate installed. Most report the noise went away. But, as with anything, a few say the sound persisted, or that the dealer misdiagnosed a different noise. If you're headed to the dealership, here's exactly what you want to say. I have a 2018 or 2019 F-150 5.0L, built before February 12, 2019, with a metallic rattle at the bell housing. There's a Ford TSB 19-2358 that calls for replacing the engine-to-transmission spacer plate due to torque converter studs touching the plate. Can you check if my truck qualifies and apply the TSB? That'll help your service advisor understand you know what you're talking about, and it should get you to the right fix much faster. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and drop a comment below if you've had this issue or have questions. Thanks for watching and happy driving. So, how much might this repair cost? If your truck is out of warranty, you can expect to pay anywhere from $800 to $1,500 at a dealership, depending on labor rates and parts pricing. Independent shops may charge a bit less, but always make sure they're familiar with this specific TSB. It's a significant repair, but knowing the details can help you plan ahead.